Hi, it's Paul. Today is January 23rd, 2019, Wednesday. So let's see what's going on with the market here in Greater Las Vegas. Got a few new listings here. We skipped yesterday because it was Tuesday. So we'll go back a couple of days and see what we got going on here. We've had a real slowdown this month. And it's just time of year, but we will see how February goes. So we had 177 new listings in the last 2 days, and today looks like the lowest price is about $85,000. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo. A nice common area there. It's pretty good. Ground floor unit for $85,000. And then the highest priced is like $1.5 million. And let's see where this is. 810. I think it's out of the area. Mesquite. Yeah, Pahrump, excuse me, out in Pahrump. Must be a pretty nice house for $1.5 million out there. What do we got here? Oh, 80 acres. Wow. It's pretty interesting. 4-car garage, 1 story, 80 acres. Seclusion. Interesting. Let's take a look at that guy. It's pretty new build too. So if anybody wants 80 acres in Nevada, the outskirts of Pahrump, which is it's rural, but it's it's not forever out there. It's about an hour from Las Vegas here. Gosh, look at this. Water softener should be on a well. Out in the middle there. Game room, 4-car garage. Big mountain behind. Very secluded. So we have private well, septic. There's no electric there. I guess you can get propane. Built in 2006. Well, isn't that interesting? Okay. And then day before yesterday, lowest priced was $77,900, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 931 square feet, no pictures. And then we go to $1,067,000. It's a condo. Wow. $1 million condo. It's not in the high-rise downtown either. Nice views. Golf courses. So where is this? 404 area. Summerlin Parkway, okay. Huh. Not there. Interesting. Okay. So anyway, that is the new stuff on the market. We've had 175 sell. Let's see how many closed in the last 2 days. 21 and 22. I mean 22 and 23. So quite a few of them closed yesterday. Looks like about 102 in the last 2 days reported solds. So that's pretty good. 102 in 2 days. Okay. Well, that is that. 5 minutes in. I've got some social media I'm working on too, so I might just share that screen with you to give you a little bit of insight on that. Anyway, see you tomorrow.